and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to try out the Mulan collection today. So I'm gonna try and see what I can come up with. I'm excited to use this, so let's go ahead and get into it. I think along the way I'm just gonna find out what I want to do. I did not really like the lip gloss in this palette, in this trio, just because it was very sticky. Yeah, it was just very sticky. So I really liked the red, the strong Chi liquid lipstick. So it was just so soft and it was just amazing to put on. So I'm definitely going to incorporate this with this look. So I'm going to not start with this, but this is what I'm going to basically do this whole look around this. So what usual me would do is just to gather the browns and the tans from this palette and just go ham. But I kind of want to do something a little different. I do love golds though, so I think I might go ahead and do a gold look. The pinkish kind of orangey colors here are also really cute. I might just do like a cut crease or something because these colors are really pretty. Alright, so my face is a little dry, so let me put a little bit of the e.l.f. Sativa primer. Yeah, so I'm sure that looked fine. Just because I need a little bit more glow for you. A little bit on my lids. It's not cute, so I like to keep it. First and foremost, I'm gonna add some concealer. This is the e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer in the color medium. No. I'm gonna start with this brush with Honor, just this one. So I'm gonna go in with I'm glad they don't have a lot of, fallout. Look at this. Okay, it's very minimal, so I'm just going to come on here, and okay, I didn't think it was that dark. Whatever. Okay, so I'm just going to lightly dab that on. Wow, I did not think it was that. Okay, it's okay. Just going to dab that around. I didn't think it was that dark, but it's cute. So, actually, okay, yeah, I think I know. Yeah, I think I know what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm just going to dab this around. I think I know what I'm gonna do, y'all. Just dab this around. It's definitely buildable. Like, even looking on it, like, it's not a lot, but it's definitely buildable. And that's how you want to do this, because you don't want to put on too much ever while doing eyeshadow. You just want to go lightly, and just, if you think it's a little too much, just try to blend it out. So this brush and go in with Strength here, a little orangey orange. Beautiful. And I'm going to go a little bit lower than what these are so soft. Okay, I'm going to go a little bit lower than what I went in with for the brown one there. So I'm going to take my other brush and just really blend out this orange. I think that's kind of taking the color out. Okay, so yeah, no, blending it out is really taking the color off, so I'm not gonna do that. But there's minimal fallout. I literally have not put like a distache, a speck or two. There's none. But yeah, that's fine. Just gonna leave it just like that. And then what I want to do is take this beautiful Loyal. It's like a ready orange, you know, and I'm going to grab that Loyal. Ooh, honestly, yeah, I think I'm just gonna grab it with my hands. Okay, so let me clean my hand off, because for some reason a lot of Colourpop's like shimmers or things that look like this, they're so much better when you put them on with your hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my hand, my finger. Look at that, quickly picks up. Like when I use the brush, like it literally just picked up a couple of the specks. So I'm just going to put that on my finger. I'm just gonna keep building it. Oh, it's pretty, wow. Oh, it's really pretty. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. Like so, like that. Tap of the brown. And I want to take Legacy just to deepen it up just a bit in the inner corner here before I add on my eyeliners. So I'm gonna blend after I've applied as much as I wanted to apply there. It's like taking some at the same time. Okay, so I'm gonna go back with this one and go in with the other lighter color and just blend that out. Okay, blend that out there. Oops, I'm not showing y'all. I'm just going to blend that out. The same color. So we're gonna grab, I'm gonna go back with this one that I tried to do that other one with and just wipe that off. And this, I'm gonna go in with True because it's like the darkest one that I have. So I'm just going to take that one just a little bit and put that down here. Yeah, it's a little dark. I needed something a little darker. Alright. Sorry. Alright, so we just made that a little dark. Okay, so now that we're done with this, I'm going to get my eyeliner. So I use this eyeliner by Nelf. It's the cream eyeliner in black. And I have, stop recording, and I have the eyeliner pen, honey. Got one eye, y'all. Let's see if I can do the other side. Probably not, but we're gonna see. Okay, they're definitely not symmetrical, but That's okay. At least I have eyeliner on both eyes. Okay, so, oh, hell no. Baby girl, like, it's not bad. It's just really red, and look ain't really red. Hell no. Okay, I'm taking this off. Just gonna go half. No. Actually, this might work. Oh yes, I'm just gonna make it glossy. Okay, cool. So, going to dab on just a little bit. Just a little bit because it's really pink. Like, it's really pink. And I'm gonna go in with the gloss here. Alright. Hey guys, so that is pretty much all that I came up with for this look. It's definitely different, but it's okay. I hope you guys did enjoy throughout the process of me trying to see what will work, what not will work. But overall, I did like it. It was really cute. I will probably keep trying this palette again, maybe do some of the golds and whatever in there, the pinks, you know. So yeah, I liked it though. It came out really cute. Alright guys, so the audio kind of messed up in this part, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.